In this screencast, we're going to cover in a little bit more detail the nominations feature for your subcontractors. So on a previous screencast, we have nominated another trusted subcontractor on this particular ticket here, 1404. So just to say, the status of this is still nominating. We haven't heard anything from the subcontractor. So if you click anywhere on this link here, this takes you through to the subcontractors page. So what we can see here from left to right is this is another trusted subcontractor. This is their office address. This here is the default contact, and this here is the primary email that this contractor has told us that all of the clixifix notifications will be sent to. So just to show you here what we're looking at, so we've got another trusted subcontractor here. We've got some notes to say he's quite a reliable subcontractor. At this moment in time, we have 22 tickets in the database for this subcontractor with Acme Construction Company. 7 of those tickets are open, 2 of those tickets are accepted, 11 have been closed, and 1 has been rejected. So what we're simply saying is here that they have been nominated on 7 tickets. They haven't done anything with them. They've accepted 2, 11 have been closed, and we've rejected 1. So just here you see this little icon for a PDF document and for an Excel document here. If you click on either of those little buttons there, that will email you as a user a report which will give you the ability to slice and dice that report and forward that on to a contact at that subcontractors. So just moving across here, we've got the inspection list feature too. So this is nominations to this particular subcontractor on the respective inspection lists. We have a list of the live users that you have invited to collaborate with your clixifix account from this subcontractor's company. So we can see the status of them. So for example, Tom the plumber is the administrator. He's received notifications and he's been invited. So by default, he hasn't logged in yet, and however we can see below that the contractor and Tom the plumbing engineer, they've been confirmed, and it shows the last login dates. We can see the schemes that we've associated this particular subcontractor against, and we can see the defect and repair categories that this particular subcontractor is associated against. So when we are nominating them moving forward, we can use the filters to filter it by scheme, filter it by defect and repair categories, and then nominate accordingly. Also, another way to chase up subcontractors on tickets is using the reports feature. So we click on the reports feature here, and we go to the nominations section. We have an area here called nominations for subcontractors. So in essence, this is a league table of open tickets for subcontractors that you've nominated to respond and repair. So we can see that a trusted subcontractor here has 13 tickets. None of those are within the KPI and 13 of those are overdue. So scroll down a little bit further, it shows you every contractor that you have open tickets with in your particular clixifix account. If we have a look here, we can see you can filter that to closed tickets, and clearly then we are giving you the data on closed tickets, and this is the performance for these particular subcontractors on these closed tickets here. So hopefully that gives you a little bit of a flavour of how you can collaborate with your subcontractors on nominations on tickets and inspection lists.